Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use tick chart on your TradingView account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, I assume that you have already logged into your TradingView account. After logging in, all you got to do is look on your top left corner of your screen and you'll find indicators. Just click it and search for tick chart. After searching it, you'll find tick chart on top of your search list. All you got to do is click on it, and that's how you can use your tick chart on your TradingView account. It is asking for 30-day free trial subscription. To subscribe to it, do the payment and billing. That's how you can use your tick chart. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.